Hey there, it's Steve. I hope you're doing amazing today. This is Love Me Do by the Beatles in 3 minutes. You think we can do it in 3 minutes? I believe in you. Let's give it a shot. It's a beginner guitar lesson, some pretty simple chords, and one of those classic songs. So I've got my guitar with no capo, don't have a capo on, and we're gonna play it in G major. Now you can play a regular G major, or you can put your third finger on the third fret of the B string, like that. But let's just play a regular G major, whether you play it like that or this. So it goes love, love me do. That goes to a C major. Back to G major, you know I love. Back to C major, I'll always be true. Same things. So please, that stays on C major. Back to G, love me do. Get this kind of strumming. Love, love me do. You know I love you. G, C. So C, that's interesting, stays on C. And try to palm mute it right there, so please love me do. So you palm muting is a way to stop the strings from, moving right there. And then it goes the bridge that goes someone to love. That's a D major, someone to love. C major, somebody new. That's G major. Someone to love. D major, C major, somebody like you. G right there. And that's it. After that bridge, it just goes. That little harmonica come in. Now, if you want to get a little tricky, you can go. You're sort of hitting the notes of the G string, that low E string, the second fret of the A string, and then the C. Sounds harder than it is, but you're just strumming low, high, and going. See, I'm only removing that finger. I'm still playing a G chord. Then you play a C chord. Like that right there. So it's just that kind of little strumming and rhythm right there. That's it. Love Me Do by the Beatles in under 3 minutes. You're ready to go. Let me know what you think in the comments. Hang out here, like, subscribe, share for more 3-minute guitar lessons, and I'll catch you next time. See ya.